Hey you guys, so it's a couple days later now and I'm just preparing my lunch, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm eating. So it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't really started fasting on this round of keto yet. When I did keto last year, I got really into fasting and I really saw it to be like super beneficial, and it was really efficient in helping towards my weight loss. Like I feel like fasting just really did something to me. It was energizing, and you would just seem like, you would think that it would kind of be draining, but it wasn't. But I'm kind of getting into it again on this time around. Like I said, it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm just going to make a salad. So I have crispy lettuce and I have bacon on the stove, and what I'm gonna do is get some feta and some olives, and I'm gonna put it all in here and it should be pretty good. Okay you guys, so it's later in the afternoon now and I had my bacon and feta salad for lunch, but it's 5:45 and the fam's gonna get home soon, so I think tonight I am going to make taco bowls for dinner. So taco seasoning. If you guys that don't know, do not be fooled by how taco seasoning just says 3 grams of carbs. That's 3 grams of carbs per 2 teaspoons, and there's 6 servings in this packet. So to make this packet, it calls to use this entire packet, but yet the nutrition facts is broken down by teaspoons. Don't ask me why, because I do not know, but that is how they get people. So overall, this thing is 18 grams of carbs just to flavor your ground beef. So I'm going to reason it by CJ and I will eat it tonight for dinner, and then we will both eat it tomorrow for lunch. So that brings our carbs down to 4.5 carbs per meal from the seasoning. And it is worth it to me. If you guys just use, like, let me know what seasonings to use to make my own taco seasoning. I could definitely use some help, or do you guys just bite the bullet like I am and just use the damn packet? Let me know. I have that, and I have peppers, and I have, for the meat tonight, I'm actually gonna use, it's minced steak. So it still has a pretty good fat content, similar to ground beef, but it literally says minced steak, which I haven't used before, but it looks like ground beef. So if someone would like to explain the difference with that too, that would be very helpful. This has 0 carbs and 18 grams of fat. So I'm going to put this on the stove, and I think I'm going to roast these in the oven, maybe with some goose fat or coconut oil. And we're gonna get these lovely taco bowls going.
Not now, not again, not much longer. Every way works my mind all night. It's so hard not to ponder. Let's make it last forever, 'cause the night is still young. It's true, I feel the pressure every time you're gone.
Okay you guys, I just drizzled the goose fat over the vegetables. Never used goose fat before. It's something fun I found in Tesco. So we'll see how it goes. I'm also gonna top it with some coconut oil because why not? So yeah, we'll just try it. took these out of the oven. They're nice and roasted, and I am waiting for the ground beef to get a little bit more brown before I add the taco seasoning. Hey you guys, so it's Wednesday morning and I just thought I would show you what I am eating for breakfast. Since I am on maternity leave, I'm trying my hardest to kind of just, if it's not a repeat meal, I will just go ahead and show you guys what I'm eating. So in all my how I'm losing weight on keto videos, you guys will just get a lot of meal ideas and you can just see what I'm eating. Like I said, if it's not a repeat meal, I'm not going to show you the same thing like 5 times. For breakfast this morning, I am having 2 fried eggs and 2 pieces of bacon. I think I'm going to finish this up, finish this bottle of water, and then head upstairs to do some cleaning and organizing with probably a cup of coffee with some heavy whipping cream. And it's like 10:30 in the morning right now, so I guess I'll see you guys when I get hungry for lunch. So I kind of started like impromptu filming and I haven't really done an introduction this week. Basically, when CJ and I went to Bath, which is like a city here in England, we did it over Memorial Day weekend, and I ate whatever I wanted because you guys know last Friday when I weighed myself, I didn't lose any weight. So then we ate whatever we wanted because we were on like a staycation. So now it is Wednesday and I started keto again yesterday. So probably aiming for no weight loss again this week, but you know, I'm just gonna keep trying, and I've been like breaking out so badly, but those chicken kebabs are in the oven now. And I'm going to make some halloumi for the side. This is how Aldi sells their halloumi here. What's cool about it is that it's cut into slices. You kind of can't see it right there, but it just makes it so convenient. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fry up a few pieces, and then the whole family should eat this, and this will be a side for our kebabs. Okay, so here is dinner. We have the fried halloumi, which is delicious. If you guys haven't tried halloumi, it's kind of like a mozzarella stick without the breading and a little bit more rubbery of a texture, but still really good. Half of an avocado, and then we have the 2 kebabs over here. If necessary, I might get some ranch, dip the kebabs in. But that is my dinner. Hey you guys, so CJ and I had a late lunch and I just served Mariah up some pizza for dinner, and now all I want is pizza. So in order to resist ordering Domino's, I'm gonna make a little pizza snack. It's not gonna be full-blown pizza because I don't have any mozzarella for the base. But we're just gonna make a snack, and it's totally, hopefully, going to curb a very big craving. So let's just get started. So this is what it looks like right here. It looks very greasy, and it's because it is very greasy, but this snack is going to prevent me from ordering a Domino's pizza, so I do not really mind. I know it's not vegetables, I know the nutritional facts in this, but you gotta do what you gotta do to stay in this thing, so CJ and I are going to enjoy this, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Hey you guys, it's Friday and it's noon exactly. So CJ and I are going to put together like a keto snack plate. We have some salmon fillets. These are ginger, chili, and lime fillets. And then we also have some fine dill salmon. We're thinking about grilling up some halloumi, some bacon, some avocado, maybe a blue cheese salad. And yeah, it should just be a fun little meal. So let's see what we create. You guys, the salmon is amazing. So for the carbohydrates, we're talking about 0.5 grams, and fat is 12 grams. So this is absolutely so good. I'm pretty sure we're just gonna eat both of these right now, but we're gonna get the halloumi and bacon going too. And CJ is currently cutting up some cheese. Here is our keto snack plate. We have the chili infused halloumi that I just cut into slices. We have just regular cheddar cheese. We have some salt and peppered avocado, the ginger salmon, and then this is the dill salmon, and then we have about 4 pieces of bacon right here. But that completes this snack plate. This looks amazing. We should definitely do this like every weekend. This is for me and CJ, but CJ will probably eat about 70% of this. I'm definitely encouraging you guys to try this salmon. The past few days I've been so hungry and I've been really looking for something that's low in carbs that I can eat a lot of, and that has 0.5 grams of carbs for like a whole fillet of salmon. So I'm very excited to start incorporating that in my diet, because sometimes you just want to eat, you know, and then to worry about the macros or overeating is just not any fun. So I'm really excited. I can just snack on that all day long with maybe some cream cheese on a pork rind or something like that. Perfect for the summer. Hey you guys, I wanted to come on here for a quick update before I make this video live. So it is June 7th and this footage was from the last week of May. So after I weighed myself, I had maintained the same weight. So for all of May, I lost 5 pounds. And honestly, like, that is not what I was hoping for. That's not the greatest. So when I weighed myself and it turns out that I just basically stayed the same weight as the week before, I didn't even bother filming it just because I was so like annoyed. So this week I've worked out 3 times already, and it's Friday. So I'm hoping my June week 1 weigh-in is going to be a lot better than May, and I'm really hoping to crush it in June. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update for all of May and all my keto week 1 through 4. I have accumulated a weight loss of 5 pounds. So not that great. I'm going to readjust and tackle this again harder in June. So thank you guys for all your support. Let me know how you're doing down below, and I will see you very soon in my next video.